5 tips to use a credit card responsibly in no particular order. Number 1, never miss a payment. Missing payments can be one of the biggest mistakes you make with your credit card. You likely end up paying more in late fees, and it can hurt your credit score. Sign up for autopay, set reminders on your phone, get a tattoo of your payment date if you have to. Look, whatever it takes. Number 2, regularly check your statements. Make sure you carefully go over your credit card activity at least once a month so you can detect any fraud or errors before it's too late. Call your credit card company if you spot some unknown charges. Number 3, keep utilization low. Whatever your credit limit is, it's recommended that you only use about 30% of it at any given time. Using a high percentage of your available credit may hurt your credit score and can make it harder to pay off your debt over time. You can improve your credit limit by asking for an increase every year or opening a new credit card, but not spending on it. Number 4, budget. Budget. Avoid impulse purchases. This can lead to you spending more than you're able to pay back, which will likely mean more interest and late fees. Be intentional with your credit card spending and plan every dollar you spend. Last but not least, number 5, know your credit card. When's your payment date? When's your closing date? What's your annual fee? Your APR? There's a lot of factors that come with credit cards, and it's a lot of moving parts. If you're going to use this card in your day-to-day life, it's important to know all the details so you can avoid any surprises. Because when it comes to your money, the last thing you want is a surprise.